How to get the cat selfie on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the cat selfie on TikTok. This filter is trending right now because it's so funny. And let's go first to our TikTok. First thing, tap on post, tap on effect. It's trading, so you're gonna find it here. This is the cat selfie. It's so funny. And you're gonna tap on the screen. This is the selfie. And if you didn't find this effect on your filter trading, go back, tap on discover, tap on search, and tap cat selfie. Choose one video, and now tap on cat selfie filter. Tap on try this effect, and this is it. If you want, you can choose the sound by Eminem, and you can start like this. So this is the effect, and hope you like it. It's so funny. And this is the filter. Hope you liked the video and it was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.